Hello guys, my name is Sarah and I am a cosplayer. Today I'm going to tell you a story about creating my Barbie little cosplay that was inspired by my own Barbie doll. It was quick and easy and I hope that it will help you with your costumes or just inspire you on something art related. And this is a good opportunity to show you again that cosplay can be easy, cheap and fun, and it doesn't require some extra abilities from you. When all this Barbie trend started because of the movie, I was very happy. Because I love Barbie since my childhood. But not because all of those cartoons that was popular on nowadays. But because Barbie journals. I'm so thankful to my mom that she bought me them. I adored all these comics with photos of Barbie and her houses, cars, different outfits, furniture, and many other miniatures. I was such a fan. We didn't have much money, so I carefully collected my own miniatures for Barbie and clothes. Unfortunately, I don't have those magazines too anymore, but I have these cute little magazines for my dolls. Yeah, there was an opportunity to cut them out of your big magazine, and you kinda could make some journals for your dolls. It brings so many memories back to me. I got only one original model Barbie. My mom gifted it to my 14th birthday as a reminder to keep something childish in myself, even though I was getting older. After Barbie trend started, I realized very quickly that I want to cosplay something related to her. I went to a couple local thrift and clothing stores since I had no specific idea of what I want to cosplay. I just wanted something pink. And I found this cute simple dress, and it immediately reminded me about my Barbie doll outfit. This minimalistic look is perfect for a cheap and easy costume, and it will be something close to me and my heart to cosplay my beloved doll. To match my Barbie dress, first of all, it needed a big black ribbon in the middle of it. I took thrifted black skirt and cut 3 pieces, main body, flags and middle. Since fabric was a little too soft, I used interfacing fabric so it will keep its shape properly. I sewed this bow together and then sewed the main part to the dress. It was pretty long and exhausting cause I sewed it by hand, since it needed to look seamless. I sewed it to side seams as it is on my doll dress and then sewed bow. To match it with my doll better, I also did white stitch with black thread on the lower part and hand stitched top with black threads too. Those little details matched with black bow very cute. My doll's dress also have a lot of different details like glitter and prints, but I actually liked the minimalistic look of my dress and I didn't want to add extra details on it. I think necklace, even though it is such a little detail, it works very good for Barbie look. I found in my storage these wooden beads. For a pretty long, broke it down into details and painted it with pink acrylic paint. We took some time as well. By the way, please be careful with toothpicks for painting beads. They should have thin, long, sharp ends to carry beads properly. Mine had short ends and it was kinda tricky to place beads on it. Barbie logo for necklace I made out of cardboard. I transferred it from my laptop monitor on paper and then cut it from pregnancy test pack. Yeah, the life of adult woman. But it had such a useful some kind of plastic cardboard, I don't know. So it came out so durable. I did little holder for it as well, glued sticker paper on it and painted it with same acrylic paint. It turned out so even. I was very happy. At first, I wanted to mix it with sparkly beads that I had in my storage, but I didn't like it how it looks together, so I decided to leave just a couple of them. And then I just took off them all. I really enjoyed minimalistic look of just beads with Barbie logo as well as entire minimalistic dress. And for shoes I have these cute Mary Janes which look very similar to my Barbies. I had in my storage this pretty long light wig for my Charlie cosplay from Hotel Hosping. I really loved my costume, but since Charlie is actually redesigned already, I decided to use her wig for my Barbie. First of all, I detangled it for a very long amount of time. I was even forced to use some straightener iron for reduce some of my curling attempts. But after a couple of hours, everything turned out to be cute and smooth. Then I took off all hairs, which I glued to parting. Yeah, you can actually do it. I did it with nail polish remover without the acetone. But I think that it will be even faster with just an acetone. So you can try it. I hope it won't melt hairs though. And I just left the original hairstyle with side bangs. My Barbie has a straight bang, but first of all, it doesn't suit me. Second of all, it's really very hard thing to do actually. But I styled it pretty low so it could look more like straight bangs. But I cut it mainline instead, so it could look just like doll Barbie style. I actually already showed some parts of my Barbie cosplay costume in my previous video when I followed Candy Johnson's makeup tutorial. And as you may see, I had an old version of my wig there, and I had an Asian version of my dress as well. And this video really showed me all imperfections of my costume and my makeup. So I filmed it a second time on the studio, filmed the last pieces of the video with proper makeup footages, and I actually filmed some parts of my video for there, and I did a little cute photo shoot. I'm really very glad it turned out very cute, soft, even though it was very simple. I really want to show you that cosplay can be quick, easy and fun, and you don't need extra abilities, extra skills and extra money for it. You can just use things that you have in your storage and on your local dollar stores and thrift stores. It's all about an inspiration and fun. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.